Welcome back, everybody. Okay, it's been hot and mostly dry here in Texas, but we know California is seeing some major rain this week. So, Tommy, I want to bring you in. What's going on in the western part of the United States right now?
Yeah, rounds of atmospheric rivers, Avery, is making it very difficult, almost impossible for cities like Los Angeles to get in and out of the city and SoCal. Atmospheric river is a conveyor belt of moisture. In this instance, we're seeing from the Pacific stretching thousands of miles, a lot of water vapor that's bringing rain chance, heavy rain, even some mountain snow, gusty winds. We saw that in Washington for the past week or so. Right now, clouds and radar, nothing through the plains, but let me take you way out towards SoCal. The red box, those are flash flood warnings. This is a 6-hour radar loop. You can see the persistent heavy rain continue into slam Los Angeles, even up towards some of the mountains. And that mountain snow, we're talking feet, over 50 inches that will accumulate from the past few days through the end of, let's say, Thursday into Friday. So this is definitely persistent, bringing record-breaking rainfall, snow. And as I take you down to the Los Angeles area, keep in mind this same zone in this level 4 out of 4, that pink magenta is that high flood threat. This was the place impacted by the deadly and destructive wildfires. So you have some of the scarring in the terrain, steep mountains and hills, some roadway flooding. Of course, with that, a very difficult travel day, LA, all the way down towards San Diego. So this is certainly something that is going to even continue as you go through Wednesday into Thursday. More rounds of rain. See how it comes in like bands, moving up a little bit more north as you work through Friday into Saturday, but still at least until the weekend, from Los Angeles up to San Francisco, moving north, is going to be hit with these persistent atmospheric rivers. I wrote a blog on this on KXAN.com/weather. You can check it out, discussing that high flood risk, what a atmospheric river is, and using some of those same graphics. Well, switching gears here, we'll talk about what's going on outside right now. Plenty of sunshine and blue sky, 79 at Camp Mabry, winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour, humidity at 48%. So it's definitely more on the heat miser side this Christmas for all of the Lone Star State. We'll go from the 70s to the 60s, mostly clear skies this evening, and late tonight we'll see those increase in clouds. Should be in the low 40s. We got 50s and 60s stepping outside to celebrate bright and early tomorrow morning. Cooler out in the hill country, but regardless, it's going to be more on the mild side with the increase in cloud cover. The fog forecast starting at 5 a.m. tomorrow through around, let's say, 9 a.m. Some pockets of less than a half a mile, pretty much widespread east of I-35. Maybe not as much out towards San Saba, Lampasas, but if you're going to be out for an early service or just taking some time outdoors, plan for a little bit of a longer drive to and from places. Here's your day planner for Christmas. By noon, 74 degrees, 77 by the afternoon, some decrease in clouds. So by 4, just like today, more blue sky than not. So here is showing when those low-level clouds and fog will arrive. So here's around 5, 6, 7 a.m. It's going to come in out of the south, build in, maybe a little spot drizzle, less than 10% rain chance though, and then a lot of blue sky to wrap up Christmas Day, and that's going to be the same story for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now, Sunday into Monday, watch what happens. Muggy meter shows a big drop back down to comfortable levels. So we're in this muggy, humid air, but that's going to be changing come the end of this next weekend with those temperatures in the 80s, near or breaking record heat. Friday, Saturday, there's the front Sunday into Monday. How about Monday? High of 52. You're going to get some 30s early Tuesday, Wednesday morning, a little more seasonable by Wednesday, but temperature whiplash roller coaster here in central Texas. With that front, I have a 20% rain chance, nothing crazy in that isolated category, but it's still something to watch as we desperately need the rain. Medium range computer model shows a little bit more widespread action north and east of the Lone Star State, but this front crashes by as you work through Monday. And how about a little bit of wintry weather out toward the big country, El Paso? Now, likely will change. Obviously, nothing here in central Texas, but it goes to show we're at that time of year with the cold air and ingredients. It's possible, but just a cold rain, if anything, for us. By Monday, it's those 40s and 50s. You can find your city here for these highs. Definitely a difference by about 30 degrees from today, tomorrow, Saturday through Monday. That's going to be a drastic drop with some winter air. So I have 62 degrees tonight. We'll have that dense fog build in after 5 a.m. or so. Winds will be calm past midnight. They'll pick up a little bit tomorrow, 70s and 80s, clouds to sun, and that 7-day forecast. So the first 4 days, that looks like, what would you say, March, April, May. Second half, we're back to December into January with a possible light freeze Tuesday and Wednesday morning. Avery?